Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make easy skillet lasagna. Skillet lasagna is my favorite way to make lasagna. It uses one pan and it's so easy to assemble. It's cheesy, beefy, and so comforting, you're not going to want to make lasagna any other way. So let's get started. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and saute 1 pound of lean ground beef. So today I kind of wanted to share on how I started this cooking channel. I'm a stay-at-home mom and my husband works and we have a business together. Right before the pandemic started, a family member had suggested to me being a stay-at-home mom, to share more of my life and the partnership between my husband and I in the household on social media. And I was like, okay, I can do it. And I just started sharing random stuff. I started a YouTube channel and I made videos on how I had my morning routine, my cleaning routine, how I was homeschooling at that time, and just random stuff like that. Not to mention very awkward videos. Remove beef, drain and set aside and saute 4 minced garlic cloves and 1 small diced onion. So after a few videos, I decided to do a cooking video and I just loved it. I started cooking in my later adult years and it became a passion of mine. I learned from Food Network and watching all those cooking shows. So I had so many recipes to share and I literally have all my recipes on a Word document. So I thought this would be a great way to not only share my recipes, but to archive them for my kids in the future. So obviously I wasn't doing this for likes or views because I definitely wouldn't have lasted this long. It just became something really exciting for me, not only sharing old recipes, but experimenting and sharing new ones. Add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Stir in half a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Season the sauce well with salt and pepper. Return the beef back to the pan. Next, break up 14 oven-ready lasagna noodles into thirds and place them into the sauce. At first, starting a YouTube channel was kind of weird and totally out of my comfort zone. I thought, what are people gonna say and who does she think she is? But because of the culture our business has provided for us, I read many books on self-development and listened to lots of inspirational podcasts. And I just learned how to talk to myself a little differently. I realized lots of things can change by just changing your thinking. Stir the pasta so that it's covered with the sauce. Also, I love the messages and photos of you guys enjoying the recipes I've shared. I really appreciate you guys, and that's kind of why I love to do these videos as well. Cover and let simmer over low to medium-low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes has passed, give it a stir. Cover and let simmer for another 10 minutes. Remove the lid and give it a stir again. Add 1 cup of ricotta cheese. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Remove lid and stir to mix in the ricotta cheese. So if you guys ever wanted to try something different, but you're afraid of what people might think of you, my advice is to do it anyways. I remember hearing this from a podcast by Jasmine Star, and she said, people are gonna have their opinions of you no matter what, so you might as well be you. Sprinkle over 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Set your oven setting to broil and broil until the cheese is nice, golden, and bubbly. All right, we're all done, and you guys have to take a look at this. I really love this version of lasagna. It's so delicious, and I actually gave some to my parents and they called to tell me how much they enjoyed it. Check this out and tell me this doesn't look good. I also find this very easy to assemble and it's perfect for any time of the week. I mean, who doesn't love lasagna? Also gotta sprinkle some crushed red pepper flakes. Just so warm, hearty, and comforting. You guys gotta try it. Guys, don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.